Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert a Chrome HTML document to PDF. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your file browser on your computer. This is where all your files and folders are stored, and it's the quickest way to locate the HTML document you want to convert. Once your file browser is open, navigate through your folders to locate the Chrome HTML file you want to work with. This file will typically have an HTML extension and might have the Chrome icon next to it. Now, once you've found your HTML file, simply double-click on it to open it. The file will automatically launch in your default web browser, which in this case should be Google Chrome. This step is important because it allows you to view the document exactly as it would appear when rendered by Chrome, ensuring your PDF conversion will capture everything correctly. After the HTML document opens in Chrome, you'll need to access the print function. To do this, right-click anywhere on the page. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and click on the Print option. This opens Chrome's built-in printing interface, which is actually quite powerful and gives you control over how your document will be saved. Once the Print dialog appears, you'll notice a section labeled Destination near the top of the window. This is where you can choose where you want your document to go. Click on the drop-down menu next to Destination. You'll see several options here, but what you're looking for is Save as PDF. Go ahead and select this option. By choosing this, you're telling Chrome to convert your HTML document into a PDF file instead of sending it to a physical printer. With Save as PDF selected, you're now ready to finalize the conversion. Click the Save button to proceed. This will open a standard file save dialog where you can choose where to store your new PDF file. Here you'll want to give your PDF a meaningful name so you can easily find it later. Type in your preferred name in the file name field, then click Save to complete the process. And that's it. Your Chrome HTML document has now been successfully converted to a PDF file and saved to your chosen location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.